In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all hyperlinks in Google Docs. This is a simple yet handy skill to have, especially if you're working with documents that have an excessive number of links that need removing. Let's get started, shall we? To begin with, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. Once you have your browser open, you'll need to navigate to google.com. At the top right corner of the screen, there's a sign in button that you'll want to click. After clicking sign in, you will be prompted to type in your Google account email address. Once you've entered your email, click on the next button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. After typing in your password, go ahead and click next again. At this point, you've signed into your Google account. Now, in the same browser window, you'll notice a small square made up of dots on the upper right side. Clicking on this will open a menu with different Google apps. From this drop-down, select Google Docs. This action will take you to the Google Docs homepage where you can see all your saved documents. The next step involves opening the specific Google Doc file where you want to remove hyperlinks. Find your document and click to open it. Now here's where we tackle those pesky hyperlinks. First, locate the text with a hyperlink that you wish to remove. Right-click on the linked text. This will bring up a context menu, and within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Remove Link. Click on this option, and just like magic, the hyperlink is removed from the text. If your document has multiple hyperlinks and you want to remove them all, simply repeat these steps for each link text. Right-click the next hyperlink, select Remove Link, and continue this process throughout the document. Remember, while this method requires you to manually remove each hyperlink one by one, it is effective and ensures you have full control over the changes. Also, once you get into the rhythm of it, it can go much quicker than you might think. And there you have it. Removing hyperlinks in Google Docs is straightforward and can certainly make for a cleaner, more professional looking document. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was useful for managing your Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and tricks on navigating digital tools. See you in the next tutorial.